If you are enjoying the activities and stories that we're putting up on Facebook, please do give us a like below. Also, you can share our Family Support Facebook page with your friends and family. It's time for an activity now.
Hello and welcome to AlbyTV. Today's activity is shakers. So for this activity, all you would need is some rice. I'm just going to show you how to colour them. So I've got some coloured rice. So I have some red and yellow. I have some pasta and some chickpeas. Some food colouring. You can use different colours if you like. And some bottles for your shaker. Make sure you keep the lids as well. So for this activity, I'm going to show you how to colour your rice. You can choose any colour. So I've got some red here. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of red into the rice. You don't need very much, just a little drop. A few drops. Put the lid on. And then all you do is mix. Pour the rice together. Cover all of it to get a nice strong colour. See, it's all covered now. So once you've done that, just set it aside so it dries. So when you're ready to put it into your bottle, it won't stick together. So I'm just going to put that one aside. So the dry one, the yellow, I'm going to put into my bottle. Just add to it. If you've got a little spoon, any spoon would do, and just pour it in like that. And you can put as much rice as you like. One little scoop. Yeah. So there you have. Pop the lid back on and give it a good shake so all the colour mixes together. It's quite a nice sound. That's one shaker done. The next one is the pasta. So I've just got thin shaped pasta, but you can pop any pasta really, as long as it fits in the hole. So you pop them in, just like that. And also you can colour the pasta as well, just like the rice, just use food colouring. Pop them in. It makes a nice loud sound compared to the rice. So you can pop in as many as you like. Once you finish, you just pop the lid back on. And there you have the pasta shaker. So our next shaker is chickpeas. So these are just little round chickpeas that you can buy from the supermarket. You just pop them in, and you can, if you like, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But you can continue as many as you like. one more. It's a complete different sound. And then don't forget your lid. And then, wow, that's a really loud sound. And your pasta. And your rice. There. So now that completes our little activity for today. I hope you enjoyed AlbyTV. Bye bye.